The Ellensburg-Moxee River Crossing project, commissioned by Bonneville Power Administration, was a critical infrastructure upgrade designed to improve the safety and efficiency of a 115 kilovolt transmission line crossing the Yakima River in central Washington. Flooding of the river necessitated the removal of 3 existing wood transmission structures and replacing them with 2 taller 3-pole foundations on each side of the river. Crux installed drilled pier foundations to support the 2 river crossing structures. Geotechnical conditions featured river rock soils, gravels, and cobbles with clayey sand. These soils were very dense and wet and required the installation of CMPs to eliminate caving potential. Piers were successfully installed to diameters of 11 feet and depths of 21 feet, and Crux completed concrete and CSL testing to assist in final approval. Challenges included working under existing overhead lines requiring coordination with qualified electrical workers during crane-supported rebar activities. The work had to be completed within a tight 2-week outage window in a very hot, dusty, dry environment. Crews worked during the early morning hours and were constantly aware of potential fire hazard. None of these challenges, however, affected execution or the timeline of the project. The successful completion of the Ellensburg-Moxee project was significant to BPA in eliminating future constructability challenges controlled by the wet geotechnical conditions. All foundation work was successfully completed within the confined outage window, and BPA was complimentary of Crux's constant communication and exemplary safety standards throughout the length of the project.